Hello, Southwood HOA. This video is to accompany my request to do a window replacement in the master bathroom of my house at 1582 Coventry Road. So this is the master bathroom in the back of the house facing the water. The bathroom has been gutted. I think you guys maybe have seen this video before. We've taken everything out, took all the flooring out. And so when we got down to the shower and the bathtub, it was clear what happened. This is the site of a termite inspection failure. What they did is they left the formwork in these holes. Sorry about that. And so they left those holes, and I think a lot of these houses have the same thing. They leave these holes so that the plumbers can adjust their plumbing. Anyway, they left the formwork in there, and so the termites got into the formwork right in there, in that right there. And once they were done eating that formwork, they went up along here and went up the side, and that's where the termite failure occurred, right up here on this windowsill. So we're going to replace this whole shower bathtub thing with a continuous shower that goes all the way across. So we're going to try to do some kind of a window here that's, shower resistant, maybe glass block or something like that. So that's going to be a window replacement with something. And there's not a lot available right now. So I'm before I try to order something, I want to go take this window out so I can get a good measurement of the rough opening and try to figure out, what's available to fit that rough opening and make an order. It has to be a special window that would work with a shower. Now what we're contemplating is probably going with black glass block as an alternative, because that's a real good window for the shower, and we can make that kind of look with the grid. The glass block is all over this neighborhood, so that's kind of what we have in mind, unless there's a good suitable 4-foot window alternative out there that would fit this opening with this archway. Okay, so the problem is that to get to that rough opening, to see that rough opening, I got to start peeling away the sides of this window. And that's where I'm hesitant right now, because I have a feeling, based on what I can see in here, is that the termites have gotten all up around this framework, and they could be all up in there. And that if it went on for months or years or whatever, it could be as soon as I disturb that window, it could literally fall out. So what I want is a temporary halfway application approval to remove this window and then cover it while I get my glass block or my glass shower window or whatever I'm going to put in here, while I get that all squared away. The reason why I need a temporary solution is that once I start disturbing this framework, that window could fall out. And I don't know if the video will pick this up, but right up here around the edges, I've got some unusual cracking that's going on right here around the window, and that could just be weather, but it could also be a lot of corroded, not corroded, but damaged wood, allowing that window to move in the opening. And I've had some termite issues up in my Maryland house, so I know kind of what I'm looking at, potential more reconstruction. So what I would do is go ahead and plan to remove this window, cover it up with Tyvek, and if it's going to be a longer term solution, maybe put some plywood over it. That I definitely will have to put plywood over this opening, cover it with Tyvek, and maybe if it's a longer term solution, maybe I'll paint it or whatever so it doesn't look too unsightly for the period of time that it's under construction. Okay, so I know that's a mouthful. But what I'm anticipating is that there's going to be some construction, some reconstruction of this wall based on that termite damage. There's definitely termite damage down here. Okay, so that probably that whole windowsill is going to have to be replaced. But when you see this, when you see one of these three studs together right there and over there, termites love that. They get in between those and they go up, and then they get, who knows how much damage there is. So I need kind of a more of an open-ended approval to begin reconstruction of this wall. Get my measurements, pick my window. I'll pick a window that, you know, that fits into the neighborhood. I don't know if it'll be another arch window. Maybe it will. I think we could probably make a big rectangular window or a glass block up to that point work. Maybe glass block to where the arch is now, and then a glass window above that, or potentially even just have a glass window at eye height, and then, you know, we'd have the shower with some real opaque glass block, so that, you know, we're not putting on a show. So anyway, that's what I'm looking to do. I want to get this window removed, start rebuilding this framework, and get my new window ordered. So I would submit a new application once I've picked the material that I'm going to put into the window, and it could be, you know, as quickly as the week that I get the window out and I figure out what the rough opening is and what's available. All right. So this video is just to accompany that the application to get started on this shower. Thanks for watching.